Welcome! In front of me is a MEDION E5005 and today I'll show you how to format an SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings. So let's go into Settings. Right here. Give it a moment, it's not the fastest device. From the settings you want to go into Storage and USB. And you'll see your SD card right at the bottom, so just tap on it. Okay, so once it loads, you want to tap on the three dots right here. And go into Settings. And you should see Format now. Tap on Erase and Format. And let the process go. Default write disk was changed. Now the SD card was set to being the default storage device, so that's why there was a message like that. And then once it formats, it gives you a message, do you want to change the default write disk, which this will do basically is when you tap on OK, whenever you take photos and download anything, it will be stored on the SD card instead of the phone. But you can just tap on cancel and the process is basically finished now. So that is how you would format an SD card on this device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.